Hello, and welcome to Easy English Daily. If you like today's video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Today, we're going to be looking through this book called Puppies Find. On the cover, there is a picture of a brown puppy. You can see that he's sitting on green grass, and the blue sky is in behind him. He has big floppy ears, and he has a tail wagging in behind. In his mouth, you can see that he has a white bone. Here the puppy is sitting in a window of the house. The house is red, and there are green bushes out in front of the house. You can see the puppy's front paws sitting on the window, and the puppy has a dark brown spot over one of his eyes. It looks like the puppy is wanting to go outside and play. The puppy is sitting by the front door, which is white, and right beside the window. There is a yellow wall in behind the puppy, and he's sitting on a red carpet. He looks like he is wanting to go out and play. The puppy has gone outside and is standing on the stairs. The door is open to let the puppy go out, and it looks like a bright, clear, blue day. The dog is sniffing the ground and walking along. Here we have a tree with nice green leaves. Sitting beside the tree is a white bone. It looks like our puppy has found the bone and is holding it in his mouth. He is still sitting underneath the tree. Now the puppy is walking towards this green bush. It looks like he's about to do something with the bone. The puppy has started digging a hole, a big round hole in the ground. There is dirt flying up in behind the puppy, and a pile of dirt sitting on the grass. Now it looks like the puppy is putting the bone into the hole. I think that he's wanting to hide it. The puppy is now covering up the bone so that nobody else can find it. It is his own special bone. Now the puppy looks nice and happy. You can see that he has a smile on his face, and he's sitting next to where he hid his bone. The puppy is now walking back towards his house. The door is open so that he can go inside. The puppy is back inside his house and is sitting on the carpet, but you can see his footprints full of mud sitting on the nice red carpet. The end.